Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft OneNote for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 3, adding and removing pages. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school, or business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you all sign into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications, All Apps. Scroll to Explore all your applications. Now go to OneNote. Let's just wait for that to load. Go to Computer Science Videos Notes. And now what we can do is go to the left-hand side pane. So the second pane, where we have videos as part of the pages, we can go to add page, and this will be the second page. Or what we can do is go within the pages, right click, click on a new page, rename this as the third page, and to remove a page, right click on that page and we can delete the page. Delete the page. This page will be deleted. To bring back a deleted page, see deleted notes on the view menu. So we can look at that for another video. Let's click on delete. Second page, right click, delete. Yes, and now these pages have been deleted. If we were to go to view, deleted notes, yep, we can then bring these pages back if we wish to, but that's for another video. Let's go back to home, click on the X, and that should take us back to all these pages and sections that we have created within the notebook for OneNote. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.